Maria, and today I'm gonna share a vegan dish with you that I've been practicing a lot. This is for, of course, vegan and even non-vegan friends, and it's a great way to contribute to the planet by adding a vegan dish to your diet. So everyone needs a good carb pizza in their lives. Well, Italians don't. They're skinny and they have good metabolism. But for the rest of us that have to watch our carb intake, we're gonna make a cauliflower skinny pizza because we hate those unhealthy extra pounds, but we love pizza. Now that we have ready our vegan Parmesan cheese, which is delicious, we're gonna start grating our cauliflower, but first we're gonna preheat the oven at 375 degrees. For our tomato sauce, we're gonna use olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, tomatoes, and red onion. Super easy. Our cauliflower is ready. We just drain it and we're gonna place it here. We're gonna squeeze it to dry. We're gonna let it cool and we're gonna finish our sauce. We're gonna mix our dough.